Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account link and essentials, log into GG, enable 2FA, and open the wallet so rewards show immediately. Next, choose the CPM mode and set a realistic coin target. 500 or 1, 000 is fine, then enable auto-collect if the tool has it. Once done, open the performance panel and check ping and FPS. Make sure boosts and multipliers are active, because stable connection and enabled boosts directly increase your effective coins per minute. You now focus on execution. Activate any time-limited boosts and stack them to the allowed maximum, because multipliers compound CPM. Then follow the highest yield routes or repeatable tasks. Prioritize actions that consistently return more coins per minute rather than rare big payouts. Make sure to monitor live stats, coins/min, latency, and success rate, and adjust your speed or reroute if lag spikes. Once performance drops, refresh the session or respawn tasks. This keeps your sustained coin rate optimal over long runs. You wrap up by claiming accumulated coins and verifying the wallet and transaction history immediately, because delayed claims can fail. If coins are missing, check the activity logs, session ID, and boost timing for mismatches. Sometimes a boost expired just before collection. Make sure to restart GG and clear cache if UI shows stale balances, and relink the account if discrepancies persist. If that fails, contact support with screenshots and timestamps. They resolve most missing coin issues quickly when you provide clear evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.